Dr. Morgan Richard Changirai. Yes, Tiripano pa Harvest House, paying our last tribute. Chiti Lala Noktula, we love you, respect you. Yes, straight Panapa Harvest House. Just waiting. Achiripa Angozara and Trungotino. We're paying our last tribute to the man, Mr. Morgan Richard Changirai, Doctor. Sakat Trungorio, Chirita Angozara.
Yo, na comic pastor.
Our last respect to the man.
Last respect in a comic pastor.
Zakawanda, Survey,
Wakawandisa.
Unake o tireke kubirirana. There was a time you were so loved by everyone.
Exactly. Everywhere.
So we are here at the Harvest House. Mighty Rondo Zinongotaurwa Dakobra Cheva. Saka Tiripano. People still waiting. Right, but truth is it's also good to pay respect to the men who fought for the freedom of us, especially Bafana Vechidiki, Kuvao Kutongi, or President Wembo Vepo, Wakaenda, Wasisipo, now Dara, Chingoripo. We want this road to be changed from whatever Nelson Mandela to Morgan Richard Changirai, because he owns the road. It's ours. Those are true Kumbira Papa. And the ones Kamboga Komana. Right. No batteries.
Who is that? Jan.
Right, now Madara. Apana, and the Konganidi. People are still here.
Thank you so much.
Yes, more love. We're not really mourning. We are celebrating the life.
We are people. We are saying that Morgan Changirai was the hero who is still going on commemorating the good job that he did for Zimbabwe. He made everyone free from being.
Now we are democratic.
Yes, of course. Yes, of course.
Legacy
will remain forever.
So I will still be updating you, Chingoti, and the Kwakawanda light. Our common right. Right. Tiripo,
I'm Shepherd Nongoza. Morgan is the man of the people, the hero of everybody.
Changirai tiende, Zamara tatora nyika yedu.
That's a song I still celebrate our venue.
Yeah, he's a hero.
Most respected man in Zimbabwe,
yes.
Doctor.
Right.
Chenswa. Yo. Unga wachifunga kuti watomtora mandise machinja hativita kachinja. Tinofamba naye iye hatosara chamisa.
Real man.
Chamisa pakungovhota unongochingobvunza kuti chamisa
aiwa chinoti maikupe wetikupe ZANU-PF mai mudzuri yetidzure ZANU-PF vachamisa toega vanomisa ZANU-PF
vakamira pakiu unenge uchiti chamisa chiko apa nama chichamisa chia chichamisa chia
That's what's going down. Nelson Mandela, Nelson Mandela,
maikupe ngatikupe ZANU-PF vamudzuri moyo todzura chi ZANU-PF vachamisa toega vanomisa chi ZANU-PF
Morgan Changirai vakatitsvangira rodzi yekufamba nayo ino movement for democratic change mugabe out nemunangagwa out muringwa zvevanhu
rino hatitaura hate speech hatisi kukurudzira kutukana tiringotaura kuti peace, freedom and love.
Hatituke munhu. Tungoratidza zviri.
Beautiful.
Peace
and love.
Runyararo.
Beautiful. Thank you so much.